All right, y'all. I know it's been a minute, but we are back with another video. Move it there. There we go. All right. So, I'm not gonna lie. The reason I haven't been posting, I ain't gonna lie to you. I flat out just suck at trading. To be honest, I keep losing. My personal opinion, over trading and over leveraging, but I'm gonna change it up and do just like try and post every week of all the trades I've done, or all the trades I've done, posted like the weekend basically. So, first and foremost, I hope everybody had a great holidays, days off. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas to all y'all. Hope you guys really enjoyed. All right. So it's currently London session, which is 3 a.m. my time. We were waiting for market open. We're going to be trading breakouts like before. London session is volatile, just like New York, but maybe a little less. But price moves better sometimes. So we will be trading London session. And then I'm also going to try and do both London and New York. But New York's been wiki, as they say, so trading it's going to be difficult. We got about 4 minutes left till market open, and let's get to it. All right, so on the charts, basically, you know what it is. Key levels, we got 3 key levels here, and then we got 2 trend lines. This bigger one is more of like an hourly trend line. So technically on the hourly, we're still in the uptrend, but on our 5 minute, we were on a downtrend. We broke our trend line here. So I think price may respect the EMA and the trend line here, but if it breaks through both of those, it's like a triple confluence to get in. That would be like a triple confluence to get in. So we'll be looking for sells as well as buys, obviously. New highs here. Break this high is probably like, let's see here. But yeah, I'm liking the sells here. The sells are looking very good. So we will be looking to do some sells here. Also, forgot to mention I did change the channel name to The Arm Trader. The reason I changed it to that is because with the profits that we hopefully get here soon, because right now we ain't getting shit, I want to start buying firearms and things of those sorts, and post those on the channel as well, because I enjoy shooting guns, and was going to become a collector, so you know I might collect a few. As you can see, got a gun wall for Christmas, got one there, got a rack there, and I got another one right there. So them two are, this one right here is the same as the one that's over here that you can't see. They're rifle racks, and they do have a basket on them. That one's just got drills in it right now, and then it's got my what's it called, headphones for when you're shooting on the top there. And then I ain't got the clips yet for this wall, but I'll get those soon. And then really just want to start making money here and then buying guns, and I can make gun content to put on this channel as well. So that's what we're looking to do with those, and with the profits of trading. That way you can just see how trading can basically get you whatever you want, you know. So and then this will be a mix of all the trades that I take this week. Hopefully the ones I can get on here, I would definitely get on here, but there might be some that I don't get on here. Yeah, I'm gonna have you guys let me know what you think I'm doing wrong trading wise, you know, because apparently I can't figure this shit out. But that doesn't mean we're gonna stop. You know, we might suck now, but we're gonna get better at it. That's the whole plan here. All right, 15 seconds till market open. Breaking of this area here, we're gonna be looking to get into sells. Let me look here real quick. That's a nice strong downtrend. Oh, market's open. So once we hit this EMA here, I'm thinking about moving stop loss to break even. That way it's a risk-free trade. Damn. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm not gonna lie to you. But now what will really get me is a retracement. The retracements is crazy. Never mind. Alrighty. New York session has lots of wicks, so it'll go all the way down here like this, and then come all the way back up here, and then hit your stop loss. But I will be moving stop loss to right about there. Makes it a risk-free trade. Now will it keep going, or is it done there? Also, what I tend to miss, like overlook, is how long I've been in trades. I will get in a trade and not realize it's only been like 5 seconds, and price will be sitting somewhere, and it'll retrace just a little bit and then go back down in literally that same minute. So as you can see, we've been in this for literally 3 minutes. To me, it's feel like ages, you know, but that's one thing I actually got to work on, is being patient with the market. I'm not gonna lie, I might close if we get back to there, somewhere in that area, to be honest. No, I'm not gonna close. What I will do is 340. Yeah. Okay. Now that's solid price action. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna close one contract.
Order filled.
That puts us up 260, and then it's already a risk-free trade anyways. So worst case scenarios, we hit this 170 and we take 170 off on the second trade. That's one thing I also am working on doing as well, is taking partials. So since we entered with 2 contracts, you can take out one of the contracts and take profit. So as you can see, I just took 260 out, and then we still have 315 currently right now, 345. Oof. Will she go? Will she go? Will she go? Another 250 and make it 500. That's not bad. 5 blue strips is nice. Did I just witness that correctly? I ain't gonna lie, I don't care. Up 569. I'm not gonna lie, that's it for the London session right now. I'm gonna go to sleep, come back at 6 a.m. Trade New York session. Hopefully we can do similar to what we just did right there. Y'all know we made what, 500 something last night, and then this morning I made like 200, like 150, 170, something like that. But yeah, also I don't think I mentioned in the last, or Monday, I didn't mention Monday that I'm doing a 50K prop firm on Top Step. So currently we are sitting at 2K and like $14. Yeah, right there. This is the challenge, not the actual past part of it. So technically we're not making money. This is paper trading technically, but we just need 1,000 more. So really what I'm looking for is $500 right, $500 in this session, and then $500 in the New York session. But main focus is not to overtrade and not to over leverage. Like yesterday, all we did was 2 contracts, and we kept it simple. I'm not gonna lie, it was smooth. Smooth trading right there. Usually it doesn't go that way for me. So hopefully we can keep it rolling today. Okay. Get this money in and I go to bed. It's currently 12 p.m. I got shit. But anyways, marked up the chart here. We got it was support here, then it became resistance here, then we got support here, then we had a resistance here. We're also in a semi downtrend here, something like that. Okay, and then let's go up to the 15 real quick. The 15 is saying downtrend as well, which stretches all the way back here. We got what? 3 touches, 4 touches. I don't know if you want to count these little wick guys. They ain't really touching for real. So we'd say 3 touches here. Let's just move a little downtrend now. We can break said downtrend. Break our trend line and this resistance right here. Go for buys probably to either this area or all the way to the top, recent highs. Or we could have, wait a minute, let me go back. We could have sells off this support to either the EMA or all the way down here. We have support and resistance. Here's the support, here's the resistance. I doubt we'll get this low. That'd be some crazy shit right there, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, small little sells probably to this EMA is probably what I'll go for. Again, not trying to over leverage or over trade. And then we have our buys to probably the top here or right here where it was also support, and then it turned around and became resistance. So that's what we're looking for. And we have 5 minutes left till market open. I'm not gonna lie, I might make this a 2 video type deal thing because it might be too long, depending on how long this edit takes, or not how long the edit takes, or how long after I edit it, how long that takes. So that's what we're looking at. Also, yesterday I was wearing my blue light glasses, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't think they're blue light glasses for real. I think they just may be plastic. I kind of like them, but I don't like how they glare off the screen right there. As you can see of the trading there, recording here, shits and gigs over there. But yeah, all right, 3 minutes till market open. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna wear these right now. And they came in this nice little case. Fancy dancy. They're on Amazon if you want to get a pair. I think there was a all black frame that I could have got, should have got. I thought this was gold. I'm pretty sure when I looked at it, that mug was gold. But these are fucking orange. They go over. And I got the trading duck. Got this from my boss. Christmas party. Little trading. It's my trading duck right here. I love this duck. But yeah. Trading duck. Trading duck. Trading duck. Okay. Let's lock in here. Boom, ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Alright, it looking like we might stick with the trend here. As they say, trend is your friend. We're gonna do 2 contracts. Max contracts we should be doing here is 3. If I'm doing over 3, call me out on it, because 4 or 5 is just OD. It's OD in my opinion. We don't really need to make money that fast or risk that much on a single trade. So 2 or 1 contract trade. That's what we're looking for. And then I'm not gonna lie, it should be like 3-4 trades a day. So like 2 a session. No, I'm not gonna lie. So it's looking like we're gonna get some sales right here. Right in this area. And then the length here. Now 1 to 2. A 1 to 2 would be nice. Okay. And 10 seconds. we want to see this push. And then if you look at Heikinaichi candles just kind of show you the average movement of price. So as you can see here, you have this solid blue area. Then you got some consolidation. Damn, I can't speak. Then you're back to a nice little downtrend, semi-uptrend, I guess, a little hiccup in the thing there. And now we're looking for another push. Now, if price came to here, currently we're kind of just stagnant here. Price is just sitting, it's undecided. This is where I need to work on my trading, because I hate sitting here watching it just sit right here. I be wanting to get out and then go for a buy because I think it's not going down. But really, if you give it time, it'll actually go down, or it'll actually go in the general direction. And as you can see, our general direction is a downtrend. And as they say, trend is your friend. So let's speed through this part. Oh fuck. So this is why you have to get you a trading duck. This is why you need a trading duck. Moments like these. Play with the duck. Just play with the duck. Play with the duck. Let the trade work. See how I was up there? I was down. Damn near $200, but now we back. We back. Patience. Duck. Patience in the duck. That's a winning strategy right there. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's actually, I recommend everyone should get a duck, a trading duck. Everyone should get a trading duck, because it goes back to its shape. You know, after you stretch it out, pause, big pause. See that? I'll go back. You pet the top. Pop the head. Just pop the head. Stress duck. Oh, look at that. We're at 80 already. Oh, damn it. See, when you stop petting, when you stop messing with the duck, it goes back up. But, pat the duck again. It went down. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Every time I pet the duck, watch. But nah. Trading duck. One of the best strategies out. Oh, fuck. Quit petting the duck. Yep.
Order filled.
All right. Lost of 500. Now, here is a predicament. Should we, no. Should I re-enter or not re-enter? Let me know in the comments. You know what I am gonna do though? Re-fucking enter if I see what I want to see. And that is a clear break. I'm not gonna lie, if we get a break of that trend line right there, because if you really think about it, let's get rid of this. If you really think about it, we have a liquidity sweep here, okay? So we're sweeping this shit. Got a lot of people, wait. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I do know what I'm trying to say. So we got a sweep of liquidity right here, okay? Boom, this candle was the low. So people, I guess, started to buy there. So people have their stop losses down here and below this low, okay? Boom. Now that price has swept and got all those people out, it's going to shoot up. So what I'm going to do is wait for price to break this resistance, okay? Stay with me now. And then we're going to enter here. It's either going to shuffle a little bit, break the trend line and the EMA, and shoot to the fucking moon and give me what I fucking want. Or we're going to lose another 500. Now we're about to break the trend line. We're about to take the fuck off right here. Watch, peep game. I either sound really fucking stupid or really smart in the next like 10 to 15 minutes. Watch. Just watch. Bam.
Order filled.
Order filled. And then we're going to do the same shit right here. I really don't even need this. What I need to do is put this. I'm going to do. That's good. And then what I really want. What I want now was 1,500 because I lost my 5. But we'll put price there. And then we'll just line you up. And bam, we're in business. But I usually move stop loss 2 break even when we're halfway up. Technically, we only got to like 3 something. I just want this, or at least 500 so I can get the fuck out. But nah, look, you see what I'm saying? Like I said, big rejection. Once I'm out, turning this shit off and going to bed. I'm not gonna lie, fuck this trade. For real, man, fuck this trade. All right, never mind. I low-key fuck the trade now. I'm gonna shut. Oh no, let's fuck this trade, bro. Let's fuck this trade. Went back right on me, bro. Fuck this trade. It's just gonna go down. And it's gonna keep going down through the rest of the night. Come back in the morning, be mad. But like, to be honest, wait a minute. This shit is just not moving nowhere. It's irritating me that way too. But yeah, fuck the trade. This shit's over with. As y'all can clearly see, Anchor Ploopy goes to order filled shit coming at you soon.
Order filled.
Thank you. Oh yeah. Yep. So we're currently down 891. So everything we made yesterday. So we're back where we fucking started at.
Bands on the counter, money on the counter.